Meaning of ghosting.
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 Ghosting. Ghosting refers to the practice of suddenly cutting off all communication with someone without any explanation or warning. This usually occurs in interpersonal relationships, such as dating or friendships, but can also happen in professional settings. The result of ghosting can be very hurtful and confusing for the person who is being ignored. They may feel rejected, abandoned, and frustrated by their inability to get any response. Ghosting can damage trust and undermine personal and professional connections, making it an unhealthy and unacceptable way to deal with relationship problems.